Hello friends, welcome to the first video of the series Do You Know Your Car from Vitara Brezza Club.
You are out with your push button start car and suddenly you discover that the remote key battery is fully drained out. Oh, what to do now? Call a technician? No, not anymore. Here is a trick. Open the key fan and remove the battery. Take out the printed circuit board. Then open the car door manually with your key. Of course, the alarm will go off because remember, last time you had locked it with your remote key. Keep the circuit board as close as possible to the start button. Now, with the clutch pedal engaged in, push the start button. It may take a few seconds, but it will definitely start.
This trick will work for almost every car. Till we meet with the next video, goodbye.